Guys, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to back up your data using Google Drive, right? So all you have to do is swipe up, go to your settings, and from here scroll all the way down to where you find the accounts and backup. Tap on that, and here you have Samsung Cloud and also the Google Drive. So you want to tap on that. Now, once you sign into your Google account and that Google account that is associated with your Samsung or Android phone, that is the one that will be connected to your phone so that you can back up your data. As you can see, my data is full and I don't have really any storage there. Need to clear some space there, but all you have to do once you have storage space there, you can simply go ahead and ensure that you click and back up now, and that will back up your data on your phone. So if you scroll down, you can see what you can back up, some backup details. You can do apps, photos, videos, SMS and MMS messages, and even call history, device settings, and so forth. So these are the different things that you can back up on your Google account, let's say the Google Drive. And of course, you can also choose to toggle on if you want to back up using your mobile or data or even Wi-Fi. At the bottom, you have those advanced options here. So, but that's all there is to it, guys. This is how you can go ahead and easily back up your Samsung or Android phone using Google Drive.